Incremental greetings. Let's continue with the Supermemo course, pledgeable expansion. In this case, are about the user interface hints.
Okay. Okay, and this is it for the layouts and themes.
Do you see now in the window option in the toolbar? The third option is hints, but there's like a cross. That means it's disabled. So you will need to click once, and this toggles the option on.
One very important thing is hints. Turn on the hints. They're very, they bother me because
now you see that when you hover, you have like a tooltip, like a description.
Right now I do know most of the stuff, but if you're a newcomer, you need the hints, otherwise you will get lost, okay? And they will also show you if there are shortcuts, most of the time, okay? So if you...
Most of the time, not always, and in a very rare cases, the shortcut is actually wrong.
You see here, to go back, you see Alt left. I just did Alt left, Alt left, Alt left. Okay.
Then one detail. I have this already on. Nice. Then if you see here it says search for text in the current collection or Control F. But if you pay attention, look at the sidebar here at the very bottom. Once I hover, I have the same text. But if I turn it off, yeah, I don't have the hover, but I don't get the hint on the status bar either. Let me turn this on once again. This affects every single place, every button, but not the options. Here you don't have any hover. But if I trigger other windows that we will see in the future, so you will have the hints for every single button. And if you have menus, no worries about what I'm doing. It's just to show you that, hey, here are the options. I can also get the hover specified, but look at the difference. Decrease. How should priorities be modified? Blah, 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 blah. But look at the status bar. It's not there. So when it's a button, you get the hint both. Where you have the mouse, the pointer, the cursor, and the status bar. But if it's like a different, like a selector, a checkbox, this kind of thing, like this checkbox here. Yeah, sometimes you get, sometimes you don't. I don't know why. This is especially useful. And this is per collection setting. That means that if you create a new collection, you started with the ABC collection, you start a new one, this could be turned off. So you will need to activate it once again. Easy, right? This will save you a lot of time checking what is this, what is that. See you in the next video about themes.